Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew. Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello!
Let's do this.
Stop right there!
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh,
I see.
Wait!
why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time for you!
Whoa.
Where are we?
So cool.
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow.
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Time to wrap this up. Literally. This is taking longer than I anticipated.
Makeovers require patience, I guess.
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… Wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How is that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though. Let me show you. Can't imagine you without your signature front hair pieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome. But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out.
Wow, I love it so much. This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit. Huh? Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow. Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep. Now back to… You can't believe the treasure I found!
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face.
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies! Get out of the way! I got them all! You use pearls, I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Huntrix!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment. Why is this happening to me? What just happened?
Miss, are you okay? Here, let me help you. She's beautiful.
What the? Actually? Kiss me, my prince.
Almost there.
I can't wait.
You're doing so well.
Yeah? Ouch! Off, Ken! A mermaid. What a beautiful mermaid. I want fins so bad. I know. Time for Operation Mermaid. Let's start with the fins. You're not a mermaid until you have them. Looks good, but they're not done. Oh, perfect! Just what I need. Now we can stick them together. I'll wrap the tape all over the fins. All done. I'm one step away from becoming a mermaid. I can see it now. Diving with Ken. Catch me, Ken!
Ew, your fins look weird.
What? No! I'll show you! I'll have the prettiest fins in the ocean. Hello!
I'm on my way.
I need fins!
No, worry not, Barbie. I got you.
I want them to look like this. Can you make it?
Interesting choice. I think I know what to do.
Great!
But first, measurements. We don't want to end up with tight fins. Got it! Let's start with sequins. We all need a little sparkle. And just like that, you've got a mermaid tail.
Wow, I'm ready to swim!
Not so fast. It needs some more details.
Whoa, that looks cool. Mind if I borrow it?
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Looks cute, doesn't it? What's next? No way, a cute top. That's gonna be a challenge. What do I do? I know. Oops. Hang on. A fishing rod. Oh, you're gonna be useful. Shall we? I sure hope we get something good. We have contact. Just a stinky old boot? Gross! But Mama didn't raise a quitter. I've got something! Whoa, I've hit the jackpot! These shells are perfect. Now, that's what I call a sleigh! Ouch! A spider?
Ooh, I spot a pretty lady. Hey there.
Yes?
Put up a jump scare warning, will ya?
But... Oh dear, I need makeup! Oh, stockings! I'll put it over my head. Now put your hands up. Give me all your pearls. Oh no, I don't have pearls. Do you take these by any chance? As a matter of fact, I do. Thanks. Now let's get to it. I'll pick the prettiest colors. Then I'll put it on top of the stockings. I'm going for a scaly effect. Let's see how I did. That felt good. Well, hello there. I think that went pretty well, but it's missing something. Of course! Watch out! Coming through! I've got a delivery for Barbie!
Wow!
Aren't you a beautiful little thing? But I need more! That's what you get for coming alone. I'll use the diamonds to complete the look. Ooh, I feel expensive. I overdid it! Okay, that's better. Wow! Now that's a sea princess! Just look at how I sparkle. Fabulous. Got more for me? I thought I'd try your look. I look fierce. But those lips are chapped. Give me a kiss, Ken.
Huh? Ooh.
What's wrong?
You need to sort your lips out.
No, this can't be. I gotta plump them up. Is it working? Come on. What a disaster! These things are useless. But let's try it again. And again. This better work! Oh no! I think it worked a little too good. I need something for the swelling! Feels better now. That worked pretty well. Now I've got juicy, plump lips. So kissable. Now where are we? Hair. It's too blonde.
This place is a mess.
Sorry, Mom.
Clean up next time.
It's Vogue doll. Let's check out the latest hair trends. I don't think these fit a mermaid. Bingo! We're going red, ladies.
The chores just never end.
Let's do this. DIY is the way to go. Or maybe not. Make it stop!
What in the world?
Well, it saved me a trip to the salon. Looks cool, doesn't it?
But what about my clothes? You naughty kid.
Ooh, I'm hungry. Perfect, I'm craving a burger. And now we wait.
Delivery!
That was fast. Can't wait to bite into this. So cute. Fake for a burger queen. Let's get down to business. Come to Mama! So good. I'm full. Oh, you have a crown too. But mine's just paper. No worries. We're making a crown mermaid's version. I'll add seashells into the mix. Good thing I'm chock full of them. Then I'll drop in some starfish. What else? Huh? Guess we'll add pearls too. Here we go. Now let's mix this bad boy. It's done. Am I a genius or what? Let's try it on. I'm finally ready to rule the 7 seas. I see someone's already trying to lure me. Try again next time. But this hook has potential. See? Now I've got an earpiece. But it needs more modifications. There are just a few more steps. I'll add a red film here. Add a second hook too. Can you guess where I'm going with this? If you guessed gills, you're right. For the last step, we're adding glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. One last thing.
Wow!
Let's try it on. Someone's at the door.
Pizza delivery. Barbie? You're a mermaid. Are those real fins?
Wow, you're beautiful.
I think I'm in love.
Kiss me.
I thought you'd never ask.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! Oh no, what's happening? But I haven't eaten the pizza yet! Ah, I'm pregnant!